So now we started getting actually fresh cherry tomatoes. They are both the size, the medium size and the small size cherry tomatoes, which we are getting from this farm, absolutely fresh. You see, there's so many tomatoes now on every tree. Every plant has so many flowerings, so many tomatoes. Lovely. Farm fresh, absolutely, as they call it. Pure, organic, absolutely no insecticide, pesticide or any such fertilizer. And we also have our green capsicums now coming out. You can see. And we have our bell peppers, the green, the red and the yellow bell peppers. You can see it's already started flowering, and now they're all going to come out slowly.